Otoacoustic emission testing, or OAE testing, is a method of newborn hearing screening that measures the ear's response to sound. There are two types of OAE testing available on the GSI Novus. DP-OAE, or distortion product otoacoustic emission testing, uses pairs of pure tones to screen patients for cochlear hearing function. TE-OAE, or transient evoked otoacoustic emission testing, uses a click stimulus to screen patients for cochlear hearing function. The Novus sends the selected OAE stimulus into the ear, and normally functioning nerves in the ear generate a sound that can be measured in the ear canal. The Novus automatically analyzes the response and assigns a pass or refer result.